Alright, y'all, after a little rustling, tussling, hustling, bustling, pretty much had to get the headrests out. She was good enough to slide out. That's what the TV mount is. Think about going bigger. I also got to take my sunroof out because we gonna get that cloth changed out too. Y'all see what's going on. Trap House booming TV. Who you know taking off their own motherfucking head, man? Let's go. Let me pull this in the crib. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Yeah. Woo! Finally got it in the basement, baby. Y'all see, man. Fabric coming off. Suede coming on. I got the suede right here, baby. Decent. Got the stars right here, baby. Let's go. Yo. I didn't know about this much suede headline. Look how long this shit coming out. There go my, excuse the workstation. We gonna get all that cleaned up and set up soon. Y'all know what's going on. But look at all this. You see how long my headliner is? So I got a good ample leftovers left that I could possibly do the pillars with. Who knows? But we gonna see. Damn, I bought a lot. Well, I could sell the rest. Anybody, you know, I'm gonna chop off my piece. I'm gonna see how much after I do the pillars, maybe the A and B pillars. If I got some left, shit, hell yeah, I'll sell it. Let's go. All right, you guys, got the accessories of the, like I said, the little extra pieces, little vents and shit painted white. Put a little enamel gloss protector on there. Put these up out the way. And next, I got this taped off. The visor is pretty much done, but I'm gonna actually, so I was gonna do this white, but I'm gonna actually spray it inside. I'm gonna spray it black. That came out pretty decent. Then I gotta do the other visor. And actually, I'm about to start on this soon. So, I know a lot of y'all like, whoa, you going on top of the old fabric? Like, yeah. Because I got some adhesive that's going to stick. I really don't feel like peeling this off. Once you peel this off, then you got to scrape all the foam off underneath that. And right now, I ain't got time. If it sag, if it fall, we're going to get it fixed. We prepared for whatever. Yep, I'm gonna start on this in a minute. I really want to get this done today. This is what, day 2? I want to wrap up most of the painting. Get this tacked down, get the holes cut out. We can hurry up and be done. And then I got this boy up next. I know a lot of y'all like, oh, why you ain't just wrap the head of the sun visor? Man, wrapping the sun visors is a motherfucker. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, look at it. Imagine me putting this suede headliner. It'll smack, but I looked up some videos on how to do it, but I really don't want to do it. So we dyeing it all black, quick and easy. Come on, just like that. Come on now. Tell me something. Tell me that ain't suede. No, I'm fucking with you. Definitely ain't suede, but tell me it don't look good. Fuck you talking about compared to that piece of shit over there. But hell, let me get started on this. She finna go white. Yeah, I'll get back to y'all. Let's go. Starting on the headliner, man. Finna go ahead and tack it down on this motherfucker. All right, you guys got the suede headliner tacked on. Got it tacked on. I used the whole can of this Permatex automotive headliner adhesive. Then I use like a half a can mix it up with some of this high strength. You know what I'm saying? We wanted to tack it down since I attached it to the other thing. And yes, I did fuck up on this one. I don't know if y'all can peep where I fucked up yet. I'm gonna go around in the line. See if y'all peep it. And I ain't talking about the stain. The stain gonna come out fucked up right there. Had glue on my fucking hand. Yeah, here go one fuck up. I had the shit crooked. But we gonna finesse that. That ain't even gonna show. Damn, the other one was right here. Yep, had the shit crooked. So we got all this hanging out, but like I said, we gonna finesse all that. We got the holes cut out. Low hinges. Yeah, I'm gonna get all these glue spots. Every spot you see is glue somehow. I guess it was on my hand and shit. Just tweak it. I'm gonna get all that crimped up. Yeah, next, I'm gonna let it dry for like 24 hours. Yeah, we gonna work on the stars. That's next. We gotta get these holes drilled, count out the stars. I think I got like 850 or 890. So I'm gonna need 850, 890 holes in this joint. We gonna keep it going. Let's go. All right, you guys, this is what, day 3, I think. Yesterday was painting up some stuff, getting all the trimming blacked out. And today is the day where, we do the poking, baby. You gotta poke, what, about 890 holes. So I framed it out, got me a little section right here with about 215, 200 plus. I kind of lost count. Actually added a few. I hope I ain't got it too close on the edge right here, but we'll see. It's all good. And then trying to get out my foot any up here. Probably not. I'll probably just have it going around the sides, flooded through the back. But yep, I gotta continue poking these holes. I got over 215 poked already. With the little poker right here. Get me right. I'm finna do another section over there with about 215. It's 2, 4. Then I'm gonna do a section back here, about 200 plus. 2, 4, 6. Another section over there, about 200 plus. 8. I think I got 890. Let's see. Does it say it over here? 400 pieces. 20 pieces, 10 pieces. Is this 430? 430, 430. Yeah, so I might have 860 lights. Who knows, but we'll see. Stay tuned. I'm like, gotta keep poking and keep stroking, baby. And we out. Trap House Booming TV, baby. Let's go. All right, you guys. I finally have over 820 something holes poked. If I'm mistaken, I either got 860 or 890 stars. I kept it right under the 860 just so I won't over poke and have unnecessary holes in the headliner. Whoo! I'm talking about hand on beam, boy, doing all that poking. Had the motherfucking prison shank. Got them all done. Less than an hour. So next, I think I'm finna run the O'Reilly's. I gotta get some white paint. And I need some zip ties for the stars. And yeah, next we finna get the stars lined up, baby. Let's go. All right, y'all, what it do? Day 4, back at it. So today I'm gonna run the lines through. Like I said, I got about 820 holes. I think I got 860 strands, hopefully. And yeah, we're gonna get it going. I got a few of them in there right now. I'm gonna start from the front, work my way back. Each side, get them hot glued, and get them boys snipped up real quick. That's pretty much it, man. We out here, Trap House Moment TV, baby. Straight in the basement with it, straight up. The damn garage too small. Trim them up a little bit. Just doing a little quick trim up. I ain't nowhere near done. I ain't even got 220. Well, I'm just about at 220. Put in and glued. I've been putting them in and gluing them as I up real quick before I keep going. Stay hanging all wild and shit. A lot of the glue drying up. And that hot glue a motherfucker too. Like they said, kind of don't use it because it could melt the fiber optic, which is true. I seen some of them kind of bending over, but it ain't really fuck with it too much. But it's definitely iffy. They also said don't use super glue because it can eat through it too. But like, what you supposed to use? Which glue you supposed to use? I don't fucking know. I know this one got ate up. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Day 4, back at it, baby, back at it. I feel like I got through this side pretty fast. This was like 220, 215 up here. Knocked that out quick. Just got all this knocked out. Then the hardest part is getting through the air vents. Because I noticed yesterday this took me forever. Like, I forgot what time I started, but I ended up stopping at 3:30 in the morning when I was done with this whole set. Because the holes that I poked didn't go all the way through the vents. It didn't go through the other side. So like, I had to re-poke them again. Even this side too. Like, some of them ain't all the way through when I was poking, which made it harder for the fiber optics to get through. We're gonna see what it do now. I tried to re-poke all these so I could make it faster. Just hurry up and get it done. But the air vent was the biggest thing, man. Let's get it, let's go. We almost done. I got this section. A little bit back here. Should be done. Let's go. All right, let's see. 7:26 p.m. So about, what time I start? Start about 12. About 7-8 hours later, I am done, y'all. I am complete. This side ain't as organized as this side. So like the wires or the fibers, they was all tangled up and shit. I got this looking good, but I'm gonna still zip tie a few of them. Got it done. 860 fibers. So that means I have to draw 860 dots. Then I had to poke 860 holes. Then I had to stuff the holes 860 plus times with the fiber optic. Then I had to glue 860 glue spots. Now I gotta go on ahead and cut 860 more fibers and make them flush. I don't think I'm doing this again, y'all. So don't even call and ask. I don't know, man. We gonna see, man. I'm gonna need at least 1,500 on my mama. Let's go. Fuck you, man. Hey, but we out here, Trap House Woman TV. I'm finna run up to the store real quick, get something to eat. You feel me? Your boy is exhausted, drained. Think I need some wood. I need, you feel me? Finna get right real quick, y'all. So let me get back to y'all in a minute. We are now complete. Ooh, matter of fact, I had to get these glued down. These was the last of the Mohicans. I tried to put the word trap back there for the little leftovers, but that ain't looking so good. So I'm gonna get these super glued down and we out. Mama, let's go. Day 5, y'all. Woo! I know I look crazy. I've been on straight work mode. Let's go. Trap House Booming TV. Day 5, and we getting live, baby. We got it in the truck right now. Yes, sir. As you can see, it's raining like a motherfucker. So I said I hate it back here, man. We have to get a new house, man. New house, man. This shit whack in the back. Nice house though, but whack in the back. Garage whack too. Small as fuck. Ain't finished. But yeah, man, back to it. So I got all the wires ran, the previous wires that was super glued down on here that was holding me back. I ain't gonna necessarily go on back, but we gonna get it on track. I could run it through these wires, but we gonna see. I might just tape them down all the way back. I got these ran through the middle. That's for the TV. Get that on the side. Garage door opener. Bam, bam, bam. And then let me come around to the other side. Well, now let's come around to the back. Hold on, gotta watch that now. As you can see where it was super glued at. So I got all the wires stretched back out. I'm gonna have them tucked back up here. This goes inside the door panel here. Get all these plugged back up. Runs all the way across. Only thing I've been thinking about is where I'm gonna run my power source to this. It is a little joint back here, a little 12 volt. I think it still works. I'm gonna have to test it. But then I need to see where I want to hide the. You feel me? I gotta hide the wires. But yeah, I think I could run it down. I took that off. I think I could run it down this, come through the back, or the opposite way, which ain't got no plug. But if it has to be tapped into something, I'm gonna have to call my boy Fly Roy the trendsetter, cause I don't play with the wires. I don't be tapping in. I don't do that, but I'm gonna call him up so he can get me right on a nice power source, cause he cold with the electrical. As you can see, I got it ran through on this side. Pull this back a little more. And then I'm finna start propping her on up there. I could get like one of them A-pillars put back on. And I'm gonna start propping up there. I still gotta take my sunroof out, which I could do that with this on, so, cause I gotta get that wrapped too. Bam, bam. This for the little speaker that be up front, like right up there. Where this little hole at. That's for that. Boom, boom. Bam. Get your visor lights, plug in. This to the Bose speaker over there, plug in. Pretty simple. Man, all this broke up here. I need to replace all that. All this up here needs to be replaced. I need to take this out because I want to get this white too. Y'all know I'm also doing the insides over. I gotta take this off. Got the other one off over there, as you can see in the back. Let me get that one off too, matter of fact. Yeah, y'all, we still out here grinding. I'm finna get this up. Matter of fact, first I'm finna electrical tape all these wires. It's the old shit I kind of pulled off while I had to heat gun it to get this off. So I'm finna wrap all this up, get it nice and neat all the way back, get it nice and clean, and we gonna get this bad boy pushed on up there. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we got all the electrical new tape on there. Got that wrapped up. I got the speaker back installed. Bam, bam, right up in there. And then now I'm finna get everything tucked pretty much. I could super glue this back down. But no, that might be doing too much. But we gonna see though, man. Gonna see how this going. Finna start getting everything pushed back up. And let's go. Woo. All right, y'all. Finally got it up there. Thanks to this gave me a good landing point. I ain't gonna lie, I was several damaged by putting it up. I ain't gonna lie, I probably lost a few stars. This was getting pulled down, rubbing, scraping, but it's glued up there pretty tight. You see my handprints and shit up there, got it all dirty and shit. Man, it was a struggle, but got it up there. Whew. This is not something you want to do on a normal. You gotta really know what you're doing. Got my wires ran through. Get that shit up out of here for the rear view headlamps. Got this snapped in. My wire coming through there. Holes for the screws. Yup, I mean, it's pretty much up to. It's up there, then it's stuck there, right? Let me get that all tucked up. Yep. I'm gonna try to get some of this tucked behind the weather guard. Then, you know, I got this A panel. I could put that, actually put that on right now to even get it more tucked in and secured. And I could put that side on too. Then I got some more painting I gotta do, man. I just really wanted to get this up real quick just to get it up and out the way. Get all those wires tucked. We gonna get the rest of them cut. TV, I need to slap a new TV in there. I wanna do like a 20-inch or something. Shit. Paint it, get that painted. Like I said, we gonna run the wires over here somehow. Like I say, I don't know if we gonna hardwire it or if I'm gonna run it through the 12 volt. But if not, if we need a hard wire, fly Roy, I'm hitting you up. I might need to hit you up anyway because I need to get my seats out. I'm trying to do new carpet. Get my seats out, but I'm actually stuck at this boat right here. I cannot get that one on. I got this one loose. For some reason, I can't get the other one on. Yeah, y'all, let me get back to work. Yes, sir, your boy got the stars in. Oh, I know I'm looking crazy, but that's what you do when you've been working 4 days straight on this joint. Got the roof in, got the stars in, pretty much cut. I'm gonna cut them a little bit more flush in some spots. But yeah, baby, we about 75% done after I get a couple more pieces installed, as in for the stars. Yeah, the stars about 80% done. All I gotta do is pretty much get it hardwired. I'm waiting on these, my pillar pieces. They getting repainted. We gonna slap them in. See, I got the front ones in. Yes, sir. Got everything tucked up in there nice and smooth. Get that pillar in. Yup, wasn't too bad on the cuts, but yeah, baby, we in here, we out here. We in that new Tahoe, Cullinan. We in that new Cullinan hoe. You feel me? Hold on now, focus now. Yeah. We in that new hoe Cullinan. The Tahoe way. About 80% done, man. Might have to call my boy Fly Roy the trendsetter to get it hardwired to a hard source instead of that 12 volt back there. But who knows? We gonna see. Let's go.
For some day, I get paid, I'm just trying to get laid. Yeah, we keep some cash for the pay. Full of energy, don't need to save. Every month.